Hello, my YouTube friend. We're back in the store finally after a long winter. I started filming an update video at the end of November, and Omicron hit New York City really hard. So I got a little bit sick, and it started getting dark and cold, and I just didn't feel like filming in the winter. Usually in the winter I kind of hibernate a little bit, but now that the weather's getting nice, I figure it's time to start doing some store videos with you guys. I always have fun doing them with you guys, and I just bought a pretty nice collection I thought I could share with you guys. And let me just give you kind of a tour of the store of where we're at. In the front here, we added shelves to put stuff kind of up high, put the cards on. The middle counter, I still need to replace that. So that's still on my to-do list. But the sides, just to have cards, you have the Magic there, Pokemon. That is awesome. That's been working out really well. I just recently put this little shelf in here. I want to have 9 boxes of better comic books. Just anything that's like maybe $8 to $20 in here. Key issues, that kind of stuff. I have just up here a few key issues hung, a few toys up there. So we have that done. This cabinet I'll eventually replace, but not this time. I still have these little islands of messes I gotta clean up. But this side we did finish all the shelving, which is great. I have a bunch of pops I just set up on the shelves to show you what I traded for and bought today. So we'll come back and look at that in a minute. But as you can see, these shelves just go on. I have one shelf full of fun doll stuff. I have some trolls. I have some Laugh Out Loud mini dolls. Just a whole bunch of loose dolls. These we usually sell for like $4 or $5 a piece. Some box stuff. Just a random shelf here. Random shelf here. Just have storage up top. And just random stuff. I gotta clean it up a little bit. It's kind of a mess right now. But the back here, this is a giant mess. My next goal is to put shelves that go up around the window, kinda. Shelves in the middle, and just make it more organized here. And then right here, I still have some bins of random stuff that I want to take these shelves and continue. So it's a little bit cleaner. I'm still not sure what I'm going to do with the DVDs. It's one of those things that's been kind of driving me crazy. And I still want to have DVDs in the store because I have a lot of regulars that enjoy them. Pretty good profit margins. The comic books have been coming along. Still gotta, this whole roll I want filled with comics. But for now, I'm putting like this is just all Uncanny X-Men comics. This is all Wolverine comic books. This is all like Silver Age, Bronze Age comic books. This is all Iron Man. I gotta fill it up some. Temporarily, just have some action figures here. I'm gonna move that over there. This is all Fantastic Four. I gotta sort through my Hulk stuff, refill that up. Make a bin for Star Wars, fill that up. G.I. Joe I gotta fill up. I have 3 boxes of Spider-Man. These were full, but we've been selling a lot of Spider-Man the last month or so. I got 3 bins of Batman. I've sold a little bit. Over here is Avengers box. I temporarily have this section where I'm going to start trying to sort out some different artist sections. Where it's just like, all Terry Dodson, all Adi Granov, that kind of thing. I kind of like the idea of having a whole bunch of boxes of artists' comic books. Just if you collect comics for the covers, that's what that will be. And then down here, just kind of the unsorted stuff I still got to work through. And then this shelf was all ad icons. We sold like a third to half of the shelf over the winter. That's pretty cool. And then this is just a catch-all for some things, some bigger pops up there. I think over this side I had, yeah, I don't think there's much progress over here. The stickers, I'm having a little bit of a problem with the stickers because the stickers, like right now I have Records by the Feet, which I eventually want to have down the line there a little bit. But it makes it kind of hard to reach the stickers. And stickers are usually bought by kids and women. And, they're a little bit shorter. So it's a little hard to get to. So I got to reconfigure this somehow. I said last year I was thinking about putting stickers in front of the record bins. I think I might do that. Just because stickers sell almost as well as the records. And I feel like the way they are now, it hurts the sales. So even though this won't look as cool, because, I kind of like the way these wooden bins look, I think having the stickers in front of them will just make it a lot easier for me to merchandise the stickers. Oh, I got some messes. I got all these little messes all over the store that I just have to deal with. They just pile up, and I didn't really want to work in the store too much during the winter. So this spring, I want to get this all cleaned up, cleared out, and organized. Oh yeah, also by the windows, I just have these old fixed shelves that makes it really hard to clean the inside of the windows. So I think I'm going to try to get some kind of cart on wheels that can wheel out, make it easier to clean, add more stuff there, and do the same thing on this side. A cart that can pull out so I can wash the windows. And I gotta organize and fix this pile, have a little bit more storage up here somewhere maybe, just so that I don't have so much stuff in front of the store like that. And just have some boxes of comics to price out. This is kind of where I put my anime pops, some new arrivals. So my last video, you heard me talking about I wasn't sure what I'm going to do in my collection. I'm still trying to create the largest collection of pops out there. But I'm out of room right now. I was thinking about getting storage. I don't really want to get storage. What I really want is a nice giant studio space. But in New York City, it's really expensive. So I decided this year I'm going to buy a lot less pops for myself. Most of the collection I'm going to buy, I'm going to put everything out for sale, even if it's stuff I really, really want. Today, there's a bunch of pops I kind of wanted, but I'm going to just put them out for now. I figure anything new, some of it's going to go up in value, but I don't think I'll miss out too much. And it'll be the kind of thing I'll be able to get maybe a year from now once I really want to build up a big nest egg so I can put a down payment on something. So my patron Raphael, he's moving pretty soon. So he brought a whole bunch of pops to trade in. He's just trading. I'm going to give him about 75% of their value in trade, and I'm going to find him a grail down the road. But I was telling him about how I'm going to have to stop collecting a bit this year, and I was getting kind of, you know, I like collecting. Collecting is in my heart. So if I'm not able to collect as much, I kind of get sad about it. But I was telling him about this pop that someone traded in a couple days ago. The powering up Deku with Eri on his back. I was like, this is a pop I wanted them to make. And I was like, I have to keep it. But I was telling him I didn't keep it. I was telling him about how I need storage and all that. And he said, you know what? How about I trade you for that and then I give it to you? So he's going to trade for this pop. And he's giving it to me as a gift. He's so sweet. Very, very sweet. Thank you, Raphael. I really appreciate that. Let's go through Raphael's pops. I'll show you everything that's going into the shop. So basically, I put all his pops on the shelf right here, and I'm going to organize these later because the expensive ones I want to put on the shelves over here. And then I have everything in sections, so I want to get them in sections. But for today, I set them up so we can go through them. Okay, so we have 2 Kid Lokis, a Basketball Freddy, Torchy. That one, actually, I'm going to adjust the price because I realize I have a whole bunch of those in stock. We have Bakugo. I love that one. The Asia Mickey Mouse. Shredder with Weapon. The Hobby Stock Michael Jordan. That one's cool. Ookla the Mook, the art series Batman, John Lennon, Princess Ariel, Xiaoling, Thundar, the Blacklight Mad Hatter, I love that one. Cheshire Cat, the Blacklight Cheshire Cat, the Orange Chrome Batman, Asuna, Ahsoka. This one's awesome. Like, this is one I really wanted to keep. And there's a bunch of them, but I'm gonna sell them for now. But I think I'll be able to get her down the road. We have another Bakugo. This is another one I kind of wanted to keep, but we'll get it down the road. We have Shredder with Weapon, Hitoshi Shinzo, Murasoka's Asuna, the Flucked Energizer Bunny. Love that one. We have the Hobgoblin Target exclusive, Venom from Pop in the Box, Georgie, the Blue Fairy, Jasmine. This is one. See, this is hard for me because this is one I wanted. I'm gonna have to I can't. Spider-Man, Black Cat, Wanda Maximoff. This is another one I really want. These I don't have either. I don't have that one. I don't have that one. I don't think I have that one. So this year you're gonna have the opportunity to buy everything in the store because I am not gonna keep anything. Well, I might keep some really rare stuff, but for the most part, I'm gonna try to put everything out for sale just so that I can save up a lot this year. We have Kramer, we have Pietro, we have This Is Fine Dog, we have another Wanda. From It's a Small World, we have the United States, Steve Hiller from Independence Day, Dean from Supernatural, The Hunter Ron, Naoda from FLCL. That one actually might go to Patreon. I have to catch up on my patrons boxes because I didn't send any out during the winter. So I'm like 2 months, 3 months behind. So I think I'm going to start actually pulling some of these as well. Hannibal Lecter, Catwoman Chase, and Bill Cipher. Okay, and then I did another row underneath. Let's go through those. Okay, we have Pete from Kingdom Hearts, Venomized Thanos, the Golden Armor, Wonder Woman, Janet Snakehole, the Zombie Thor, El Arachno, Poe Dameron, Marshawn Lynch. We have the Backyard Griller, Deadpool, Momo, she's cool. The Funko Shop exclusive Michael Jordan. I actually think I needed that one, but he's going to be for sale. Elaine. Let's see, we have the Starlight Chase. This one's a little bit dented, so I marked it down. So with the Venom's also a little bit dented. We have Klaus. We have Crash Bandicoot. We have the Office Golden Face, Play-Doh Pete, Aang, Shrimp Morty, Wade Wilson with the con sticker. That one's really cool. The Skater Freddy, Harry Potter, Black Panther Mech Strike. Hobgoblin, Daniel LaRusso, Cobra Kai, kind of wanted that one. Marty, Check and Watch, Spider-Man, Dr. Octopus, Falcon. Okay, and then we have the 8-bit Freddy Krueger, Ahsoka again, Venomized Ironheart, The Chase, Ahsoka again. That's a different version. I need her as well. This is gonna be hard for me. Oh, it's gonna be so hard this year. Okay, Marty and Jacket, Stitch with Record Player, Shang-Chi, Dream Team Freddy, the Great Saiyaman, the Curtsy and Alice Blacklight, the Great Saya Girl, the Queen of Hearts in Blacklight, Morpheus, Bill Cipher, Stitch with Record Player, Blue Spirit from Avatar, then Tony Tiger, Gunter from Friends, Dodoria, Jazz, the Blue Spirit, and Jimi Hendrix. All right, so that was a pretty fun little batch of pops. Definitely a lot of stuff that people are going to want because a lot of really cool pops like Spider-Man pops and things that I've kind of been sold out of for the last few months. Oh, wait, I got a couple more over here. Okay, 3 more from his collection. We have the Fry Kids. We have the Jiraiya on Toad. Love that one. And then the Aang Avatar State. That one is super cool. Oh, he did have some Funko Sodas. I think this year I will keep any chases I need just because these I can find a little bit of space. It won't be as hard to collect these. Especially, I think the chases will be a lot harder to find for a cheaper price later on. So we have the Rocket Raccoon Flock Chase. Love that one. I think that one is awesome. We have Bingo. This is not the chase, but it was 3,000 pieces. So I think the common was like 2,400. So almost like a chase. And then the Blacklight Cheshire Cat, which is 1,600 pieces, super limited. So those, I feel like long term will have a higher value. So I don't want to miss out on those. Whereas most of the pops today, I think those I'll be able to get later on. Oh yeah, I also have to cut my hair and beard this week because I am crazy caveman mode. But I'm ready for the spring. I am ready to enjoy the really nice weather. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.